rock
It does
too.
look like a spider web, doesn't it?
Wow.
Whoa.
Okay, can you come wide for a second there?
Yeah.
Yep.
Your
Let
brow.
me, I gotta back off
Yeah, I
a
think
little
we
bit.
got a little too close with the
and-
lights.
Yeah, just 1 second. Let me see if you turn on the tilt and tilt up. And
Yeah.
see if I can settle down
You
just
ready
for a
for
moment.
me to tilt up?
Yeah, it might be out of range of the tilt.
I think you got a lot left, maybe?
We can always like scan up the rock if that works.
Yeah.
See if I can coax the
Oh,
tilt up
this is
there.
lovely too. Good view of the sediment. Looks like there's a lot of
Yeah,
little
I don't think it's gonna go that high.
tiny holes.
It's just gonna lift
think
off
so,
and
yeah.
gently float it up while you zoom in on it,
Sediment's got
okay,
like
Aaron?
little
I'll
tiny
try to keep it real
holes
stable.
indicative of
Okay.
possibly some in-fauna activity.
Oh, I see.
Was that it there? Darn it.
Yeah.
I don't know if
Co-pilot's
this is a
gonna
benthic
Smack me
ctenophore.
around in a minute
Kinda
here and tell me to
wondering.
get moving.
They have like these appendages that can
No,
help stick
I'm getting
and
the
keep them in
tethers pulling,
place.
like
Yeah.
pulling
Okay.
me into it
So
and
that's
twisting
my
me.
best guess.
Can't give you any more.
No,
My
I gotta
delta's
go.
like 10.
CTE.
Gotta go.
All right.
Altitude is 10.
Sorry,
Full
what
wide.
is that? Is that on
Would
the
call me
It's
Dory
probably
right
other
now.
if CTE
Coming
isn't
up.
on the list.
CTE?
Yeah, CTE. I think it's a benthic ctenophore though. There's a one called a dandelion ctenophore. It's more colorful than that, but
Just trying to get down to
Just
look
look
at you.
it up.
Yeah.
it's resembling that.
There you go. Now you can see
somebody
yourself.
Thank you.
did mention dandelion in the chat.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yay.
Hey,
Put
TJ.
that in.
Good.
And Lisa
So-
says, nice, benthic
Oh,
siphonophores.
it's siphonophore. Oops,
Siphonophore.
wrong group.
Oh,
Yep, dandelion, siphonophore. Thanks, Lisa, for correcting me. Appreciate it.
so not CTE?
Not CTE.
Okay, that's okay. What's the code, sorry?
Yeah, hang on. Yeah, dandelion.
There's a
ctenophore,
hollothurian,
it's not
maybe?
A ctenophore,
Hollothurian?
Over on the
it's a siphonophore.
These words are really hard to
You're good.
articulate.
I was just glad to think I thought of what it might be.
What's with the spider web looking part of it?
So it's part of the animal. It's kind of able to stretch out
Okay.
these kind of tentacle-like structures and sort of anchor it in place. Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, so Rima,
Yep.
CNI.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, I was double checking something.
Four.
I'm not sure if they saw something like that before. Sweet. No. Doesn't look like they documented anything like that in the database. So maybe something new
Yeah.
or different.
Oh, okay, cool.
At least new for this region since we haven't seen it here before.
Nope. Lisa says, to be fair, benthic CTE nophores are equally as cool as the siphonophore.
Yeah, that's definitely my best guess for that one. That was neat. Hadn't seen that before. Glad we got some good, I mean, we got pretty good imaging of it
Yeah.
as we went in, and you could see how it had created that spider web type.
Yeah. Yeah, I think
structure and the animal, the colony itself is in the middle. It's neat.
it's a highlight for me.
That's cool.
It's pretty cool.
Oh, look, there's a little tiny field of nodules.
Oh, yeah.
Within the rock.
Just
A little pool.
Save those for later.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
little swimming pool.
Yep, doing fine.
Brittle star.
Is that technically considered a starfish?
So we have
So
brittle stars and are part of the Ophiuridia. They're ophiuroids. They belong in a different group than the asteroids, which the
oh, whoops.
typically like our common sea stars are what we're calling.
The bat stars or cookie stars that we've seen.
And Brisingid sea stars are, yeah, in that group, asteroidia. So they're all related, but distantly. Ophiuroids have a central disc and then 5 arms that come out from that central disc. Sea stars can have a number of arms, multiples.
Okay.
Oh, that looks like kind of a collapsed pillow or something down below. Huh. Interesting.
Would crinoids be part of that family as well?
So
Echinoderms.
they're all echinoderms.
Echinoderms,
Yeah. Again, distant relatives.
Yeah, because they're sometimes called feather stars.
And I know people, even experts, have kind of interchanged the word sea star and starfish. They're not technically fish, but I know it's been kind of part of our vernacular for a long time.
No, he's having fun.
Wow, piles and piles of nodules around here.
Amanda, it's really cool how much you're able to identify the sea life.
Thanks.
You seem like an expert of this particular region too.
Well, thank you. I have a lot of help. People from the shore are lending a hand when they can. And when in doubt, I say, I think it is this. And hopefully
But most
we'll
of the
have some
time, you've been right.
Oh, thanks. Yeah.
It's really amazing.
It's been incredible just learning from people who have taught me over the years and learning with this team. I know that the pilots often see the animals before I do, and they know a lot too. So it's a great experience to learn together.
We definitely don't remember the Latin names of organisms like you do, though.
Oh,
That's for sure.
A few favorites in there maybe, but yeah.
for sure. Favorites.
Speaking of favorites.
I know, I can never answer this question very great. Like I have favorite animals that I would like to see. Like I'd love to see a whale shark. We're not going to see one down here.
No,
Right.
no.
Someone asked about that in the live interaction I was just in.
Sorry,
about
my
like whale
tilt's not
sharks?
Yeah.
tilting.
Oh,
Just
really?
give me a sec here.
Have you seen a whale shark? No.
No.
How
That
about,
would
Have you
be
seen a
neat.
starfish? Yes.
Yes.
how deep do Greenland sharks go? We've seen those really deep, right?
Yeah, we were doing Atlantic Canyons work on the east coast of the U.S. In 2013, and we saw a Greenland shark there that was enormous. And I remember the experts at the time estimated the age of that shark to be around 275 years. So old. This, humongous fish swimming around in the deep sea. And I would have to guess, Todd, that was over 1,000 meters.
Okay, but not nowhere near 4,000.
But there are deep sea fish. We've seen a number of different kinds of cusk eels on this dive so far. There's snailfish that are found in ultra deep trenches. So there are some different fish species that are able to tolerate these extreme depths and pressures.
Someone commented, I just want to grab the nodules. I wonder what about them?
This is a very much a look but don't touch dive. We get to visualize a lot about the environment, take some great videos. Again, providing us with fantastic understanding, at least of a glimpse of what these environments are here in the Cook Islands. In a way, it provides us with an opportunity to establish and ask more questions about what we're seeing down here. We have more questions now than answers in many ways, I think, but that's great. That's what science is all about. That's what ocean exploration is all about.
We're just here to learn.
That's right.
Soak up information. Oh.
Sponge.
I feel like I've learned so much since I've been on the ship. A lot of this is new information for me.
This is your first
This is my first
right?
expedition.
Yeah, it's great. So glad that you could join us.
Yeah. I'm glad the dive has been such a success.
Yeah.
My first dive.
I know. So fortunate.
I'm sure everyone in this room is constantly learning still.
Yes.
Can everyone say one thing they've learned on this expedition so far?
How to replace a Technodyne motor controller.
Is that a fish?
I'm going to try to float into it.
Oh, I almost had a
There's two fish. There's one on the bottom left that we're going to lose, and then the one holding stationary up ahead.
We're going to have to hold off on that.
Floaty fish.
Nice.
Stay there.
So one of the things we're looking at with these fish is sort of their head shape,
Come here, dude.
their fin characteristics. This is sort of an eel shape to it, with
They're quite
the
skittish.
tail tapering to the tippy end of it.
It doesn't like the sound.
Don't think we're going to get...
Or the light.
Definitely look like a cusk eel to me.
Cusk eel?
Couldn't tell you if it was the blind variety that we saw earlier, but that's fine.
Oh, I've learned so much on this trip. Even the data logging, how the telepresence works. But I didn't know that holothurians swam.
Oh, wow.
I thought they just moved slowly along the seabed. So yeah, that's pretty cool.
Because you guys encounter sea cucumbers in the Cook Islands, right? In the shallow water?
Yeah, in the shallow water. We have a few kinds, but the most common one's this black, and it doesn't have any tendrils or anything. And if you pick them up, they sort of pee.
Fun hobby for Cook Island kids to play around with.
Cucumber pee.
Yeah.
I was fortunate enough to have...
Thank you.
Fortunate enough to have a little bit of time before we left Rarotonga to explore some of the tide pools there by the port. And yeah, there were a lot of those black sea cucumbers that you're talking about. And then like a larger one was almost like loaf of bread size.
Yeah. They can get pretty big.
Okay, Aaron.
Okay, I'm zooming in.
Did you hold one?
I didn't want to get in there and disturb anything. I wasn't.
I think, is that
Didn't
a
have it beyond me, though.
coral
That was
that's
probably for the best.
living on an old stalk?
What do you see?
We're going to tilt up here momentarily. If our co-pilot can turn the tilt on
Interesting, you're
and
seeing
tilt
like
up,
these
please.
sort of flaky fragments of rock as well on the seafloor. I thought I saw something retract when you came in.
Too.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's...
Well, I think it's an anemone,
oh,
Todd.
okay.
Yeah, so it's like
Got it.
an anemone living on a stalk of a sponge.
All right.
And while we were flying in to land, the tentacles retracted. So it's kind of all sucked in at the moment.
And there was a thin whip-like something or other just over here.
Thin whip-like.
There.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
That's different. No?
Yeah.
We're going to have to spin and go pretty soon, but we have a moment to look at it.
It's the remnant of a...
Oh.
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 What is that?
I
Kind
wonder
of looks like that spider web again. But
I wonder if it's another
Sponge?
sponge?
Yeah,
The
it's,
spiny-
it's turned to the side.
Tilt down just a whisker.
We're looking at it side on.
Yep.
Is that one of those worm things that retract into this? No.
No, I don't think so.
So yeah, I think it is it might be one of the cladorizid sponges. Just looks a little different than the ones we've been seeing. So those carnivorous sponges. I didn't see where was the worm? Attached. Wow, that's such a wild shape.
There's quite a bit of current and
Yeah.
I think that's my thrust
Is that you?
Oh,
Okay.
that's us.
bouncing off of the big rock in front of me.
Cool. Nice. That
Circulating.
was I think I don't think we've seen that particular carnivorous sponge before.
Okay, I'm going to go up because I have to spin back
Nice.
around 180. Up and then spin left.
Little more simple looking than the ones we saw earlier. I don't know if it maybe on the decline and it's lost some of its tissue, or if that's sort of characteristic of that type. Something for the experts to take a look at.
There's a shrimp.
Ah, shrimp. I don't know if we can get any good video of the shrimp, but I don't think we've got a lot of close-ups. So decapod shrimp, beautiful color.
Look at the legs.
wow. You have a swimmer. What do you call them? A decapod shrimp?
Yeah, they're a type of arthropod. Arthropoda is the phylum.
Sorry.
And
Okay, coming wide.
this is there are a few
Cool,
different
thanks,
varieties
guys.
found in the database. Thanks so much for the video.
We have a moment if you want to try
Awesome.
to.
You want to try and push in a little bit harder?
Yeah, or
Okay.
you want to just double it real quick and let me try to stay on it.
So,
Those little legs.
oh yeah,
There's a little brittle star
Wow.
on the rock. I lost it.
He's coming.
lovely.
He's bottom right, bottom left screen.
Thanks so much. I think that'll help narrow it down. So there
No
are a
hands.
variety of
yeah.
those shrimp in the database. I'm showing
It looks like
Kahana.
No,
maybe
really,
the-
sometimes the best
the
shots
next one. This
are when
one.
you
Oh,
don't
yeah,
touch
with the
Because
anything.
of the arms.
Oh,
Just
yeah.
let the vehicle's
Could be.
inertia flow. Not in this case. Oh well. Okay,
I don't know. That one looked
Gotta
like
go.
it had really
Wide.
big arms.
Yeah, I wonder. These are kind of spindly ones. This
Yeah.
one. So yeah, we'll take a look at the video and evaluate. Get some good still images.
you're way up there.
I think that's what you all were saying, like the still images that we can capture, frame grabs that we can capture from the video should be really high resolution.
Yeah, they'll be around 8 megapixels for the full resolution stills.
Wow.
And because it's 60 frames per second and a global shutter imager, there'll be a lot less motion blur and other artifacts that you typically see with
coming down a couple meters.
These kind of shots. So it should be a particularly good video feed to grab still frames from.
Fantastic.
Yeah. I think that plastic compressed 3D printed stuff is maybe not such a great idea for 4,000 meters. Even 100% infill is not
marine
not
snow
100%.
particulate material in the water column. And you can see that that's
Poop.
draping the
Right, do you wanna
seafloor,
jump in
that
here?
fine brown material.
Yeah. Well, no, but I might have to steal my jacket back from Jacob. Yeah. Do you want to leave the headset, or do you want to take yours?
We have a comment. Can you tell Miss Dr. Demopoulos that Clara says hi?
Hi, Clara. Hope your day is going well. Have fun in Gainesville. Drive safely if you're not already there.
Who's Clara?
Clara is my daughter.
Aww. She's been watching our dives.
She's a sophomore in college, and she's headed home for fall break. They get these little mini breaks, you know, every few months. So she's going to go hang out with the dogs and her dad and
Cute.
the fish and the turtle and the corals and everything else, the menagerie that we have at home.
You have a big aquarium at home?
It's a good size, a few different coral species and a few hermit crabs.
Nice.
And urchins, and then I have 2 clownfish. It's been fun taking care of it. She pulled it together. I have some great scientists who I work with in my lab who are experts in coral husbandry, so they helped guide her and mentor her in building the tank and getting all the right equipment. She set it all up. I got the clownfish going and a few corals, and then she went to college and she taught me how to take care of it, and I just kept adding more and more corals, so it's been fun. It's a great hobby.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, hi, Clara. I love that she called you Dr. Demopoulos.
Yeah. She even spelled my name right. Surprise, surprise.
All right, I'm just getting a feel for the controls and then.
Aww. Yeah, she's been watching along with us. Took some pictures of us from the live feed. So
Yeah, all right, I like that.
it's been fun, actually. My first telepresence mission was on the Okeanos, I think, in 2013. And then I had a Nautilus mission. I'm afraid I don't remember which one was first, but either way,
idea of what it's like.
I was able to
I'm not sure what that is.
share the seafloor with my
Should we zoom
daughter,
in?
who is at
I'm
home
just
in
setting
school
down to
learning
get an
about
idea of what it's like to
science,
put
so
this
it's
thing on the ground.
tremendous gift
Somewhere that's
to
not
be able to share that with her.
super rocky.
And now she's studying marine
Whoa.
science.
Oh, wow.
Oh, imagine that.
I know.
Bad.
That's great, though.
I wasn't sure if I was going to scare her away from a career in this, but it's it's been really wonderful to share this with her.
Oh.
What is that we just landed in front of?
Was there something there?
Big
Can everybody
rocks.
hear me?
I'm sorry. We hear
Okay.
you now.
Okay. It's like.
I'm
All right.
following the same line of study that my dad
Football in my
did.
face.
Oh,
I'm gonna
really?
come up for
Yeah,
now.
Yeah,
Just
I'm
all
actually
good.
studying at the study program in which he used to teach.
Oh, fantastic.
All right.
Which is really cool.
Back row, let me know if there's things you want to look at. We're in an R8 formation right now. We're still in a ship move, right? Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
But otherwise, I'm just going to kind of do a scan around.
Yeah, I think, in my opinion, we have imaged a lot of sponges. I'm not sick of them, I'm not saying that. But if we start to see small objects sort of towards the bottom of rocks and things, we're going to try and catch those. We already were able to get some really amazing video of gastropod, little snail crawling along the seafloor, and a few bamboo corals have been encountered throughout the dive. A number of different sponge species, including several different glass sponges, as well as a few apparent
not a lot of lateral.
Carnivorous sponges, cladorhizids. And then we found some sea cucumbers and crinoids, and we definitely have seen a couple of fish, at least on this dive so far. At the beginning of the dive, we saw, or beginning of the watch, we saw the
corals here.
Lizard fish, I think, a bathysaurus. So that
Brittle
was a new one for this dive.
Is that a brittle star?
Where?
Do we have any interest in this little coral here?
What is that?
I think in the
There's a sponge in the
mid
There's a coral a little bit
foreground, but there's a coral in the foreground.
If you see it, zoom in on it. I'm afraid I don't see.
So I'm
on the
just gonna
bottom.
try not to get too close here to the. Oh, I don't have a good spot to perch.
The rock formations themselves are pretty cool.
Really amazing. Smooth pillow lava. In a couple of cases, we've
used to
seen
having a
collapsed
porch I
pillow.
Put my feet on.
Oh, you're good.
All right, I'm gonna go up and
You
over
can
the
keep rolling.
rock. We got lots of these
Where we've seen
little.
the collapsed pillow, they've created these, ledge-type features, and some of the animals have been found
There's a small
on the underside of the ledges, attached in such a way that they're still able to capture food, but maybe not get buried by the sediment that we see kind of draping the seafloor, creating that thin coating. So maybe the underside of those ledges is like the perfect spot to get enough food, but not get smothered.
We have a question about what are the chances of finding a wreck? They tend to be in shallower.
Yeah.
We can, they've been found in deep
everywhere.
waters.
Yeah.
I know that
How often do we find those?
I know this area was surveyed with our multi-beam bathymetry system, our multi-beam mapping system sonar.
Oh, okay.
So the surveys are useful in providing us a glimpse into what features we may encounter on the seafloor, including potential shipwrecks. As far as I know, there aren't any records in the area that we're working in here, but I don't know, Rima, do you have any information on that?
No, and I think we have some backscatter in this area as well, and I'm not sure of it. That might have pointed us to the presence of a shipwreck. So no, I don't think we'll find
Scooching
one.
out forward a bit.
Hmm?
Oh, I'm scooching out forward a little bit.
That's okay.
So,
You're good.
yeah.
I'd keep in mind that because we're so deep, the resolution's going to be lower.
Okay.
So so the surface you're looking at right now is gridded at I think it was 75 meters. So if you imagine each individual cell you're seeing
it's
is
like
a 75 by 75 meter square.
big.
You're right. So if a ship is less than that,
Yeah.
then you're not going to see it.
Was there something right?
So
below
yeah, it can be kind of
that we just
deceptive
passed
when you're
over?
looking
Right
at
in the
sonar
center?
data.
Yeah, can you go down just a little bit?
Look, yeah.
Oh,
are you
yeah,
looking
what
at
The
is
the?
vehicle
that?
would need to go down.
Yeah, roger.
My eyes are playing with me.
Are you looking at?
But the backscatter data is kind of
Right
the
there
same
at the
thing.
base of the rock.
Yeah.
Oh, the
So
little white thing?
typically
Yeah.
Okay.
shipwrecks are identified
The white
first and then you go looking for them, or
Roger.
do you ever like run into them?
I'm gonna try to sit down.
Pretty rare to just run into them.
Sponge.
All right.
Does it look like a sponge? Okay to push in?
Yeah.
We're looking.
Ooh.
Tiny.
I wonder if it's one of the gastropods.
Another mollusk?
Yeah.
Or a
Little baby
You
Simple
turn
size.
my
Three
tilt
of
on,
them.
Dave?
Wow. I see one.
I just want to try out.
One in the top right, one in the top left.
Oh, you got it.
Oh,
I don't
See,
know.
likes to run away. There we go.
no, no, I think it might be a sponge.
It looks a little different. Something different.
You think it's a little sponge or a shell or?
Yeah.
Trying to get my heading over, but it's
I
not.
don't know.
All right.
Yeah, time to
Yeah,
go.
we're gonna go.
You're good. It looks kind of
Okay, come wide.
honeycombish.
You can turn it off. I barely
Maybe a
tilted
sponge.
around.
Maybe part of something else.
Okay, I am
Oh, you
gonna
dusted off
come
the
up
rock
a bit,
for
Dave. So just watch
cleaned
your
a little
tether
cleanup.
there. I can see.
Yeah, I
under
got
there.
it.
Amanda. Lisa says,
And
that is
turboing
amazing.
forward.
I wish your daughter all the best.
Oh,
This is
that's
such
sweet.
a cool family bond.
Thanks, Lisa.
is that
Definitely punch forward when you need to. Which is nice.
Just coming in now.
Yeah. We're good.
Still thinking about that headless chicken.
That was
Come over
pretty
a bit in your
amazing
frame
video.
here. Explore over here.
Yeah, as we're traversing the seafloor, we're continuing to see pillow lava
Interesting.
structures
Right, Anna?
with scattered nodules and patches. Fair amount of sediment, fine sediment that's able to
I think there's a bit more current
deposit
in
on
this
the
direction,
seafloor. We
definitely.
can see marine
less
snow in the water column as well.
Punch.
The pilots haven't really remarked on much of a current, but guessing it's
Yeah, there is
fairly-
one.
Yeah,
There
it's
is
in
one?
This,
Yeah,
this
it's not-
direction.
It's not that strong,
not too
No.
strong.
but it's there.
It's fairly modest.
oh, another one.
Okay. Sorry, I'm just playing around with settings and whatever,
Okay.
but like my
I don't know how
jogging
that
a little
front row
lower.
keeps magically changing, and I don't notice people coming and going.
The
You guys
front row?
Yeah, you guys
tele-
teleporting
Yeah.
or something?
They're very
Been a-
slick.
Well, we're on a 12-hour shift right now, so we're trying to rotate out every hour, 2 hours.
Nice. No, I'm glad you do rotate.
Especially
I just
that
don't
co-pilot
notice
seat
it.
is very, very cold, so
Oh. Do you have a hat?
Dave's got a hat.
Oh, you got all your
He's all
stuff.
bundled up in his
There you go.
blankets.
The
I've
deep
even got
sea
a
hat.
blanket wrapped around
Yeah.
my shoulders.
Oh.
You said you weren't going to. You rejected it.
I didn't say I wasn't going to. I said I didn't plan on sitting here very often.
Tall,
I
tall
see.
coral.
Well, do we want to take a look at this stock?
Sure, let's take a look at
Yeah,
the
we
stock.
gotta.
I did bump the temperature
Don't-
up a little bit. So.
Yeah, this
Don't-
one's quite tall, so don't sit down, just
Yeah,
hover.
yeah.
Yeah, you're
All
fine.
right, let's see if I can float this bit. You want to push in?
Pushing in.
And I'm going to try to go down a bit.
Yep.
Yeah, you can basically push in as much as you want, and I'll try to
Looks like a sponge
keep you in
stock,
frame here.
maybe with some hydroids that have colonized.
So not a coral? Sponge?
Sponge.
Oh,
Yeah,
I think I just
sponge
got
stock.
tugged on. Sorry.
Fiddle.
or something. Hey, Dave, you're...
I got it. Coming up all
Yeah.
the time.
Okay,
So
roger.
are you, so.
Yeah. Okay.
Nice.
I think we're gonna come down a bit
Full
here.
wide?
Yeah. So were those were hydroids on there,
Looks
or?
like there were some like maybe dead hydroids
Yeah.
attached to the stalk of this dead sponge.
Yeah. Okay. I think we've got another sea cucumber.
Yes.
Is this one we want to take a closer look at, or is this something we've seen?
If you have time.
Of course, of course. If you don't mind,
I will
pilot.
say this is the first dive I've ever been in that anybody's excited to see sea cucumbers, so they're not usually on my radar of like
That's funny.
interesting creatures.
What the heck?
So.
They're really important.
We've been seeing so many sponges. It's nice to see.
Well, I've been waiting for us to have a
sea
sea cucumber
cucumber.
fanatic in the.
Oh,
There we go.
nice.
Is this the first
right.
one on this shift?
Oh, we saw the headless chicken.
We saw one, got some
Oh.
really
that
beautiful
cute? That was
video.
great.
Is that technically a sea cucumber?
It was.
Oh.
Yeah. It was interesting because it's
It looks so different.
swimming
It
through
was
the
dancing.
water. Yeah, really
Yeah.
beautiful. Gorgeous video.
Looks like we have a
Yeah,
little
it's sort of hard to
stalk up
tell
here.
when they're kind of hanging out on the seafloor that and the swimming one resemble each other, but
Is it so thin?
I see something like yellow in the background. Is that just more
Poop.
sediment? Are we interested
what's
in what's
this?
on this stalk at all?
What is it?
Do you want to
Is
push
it just
in
a
little
sponge?
quickly, video?
can
Has
take a
little
quick look if
arms.
you can.
Video,
See.
you want to push in?
Pushing in?
Just flying it.
Oh,
Oh, what is that?
looks
Some
like
amphipods?
an amphipod.
Amphipods.
Yep,
On
amphipods
a-
attached to the stalk, hanging
Wow,
out.
This is really squirrely. Okay.
So amphipods are a type of crustacean. They're under
Okay,
the
come
art
wide.
group, Arthropoda.
Yeah, this is
And
where you
they're-
could do with the second camera, just that
I
you
know we
can
saw some isopods earlier,
focus
which
on
are
a point while you do that.
Yeah.
basically relatives of
Your
those
down camera doesn't
amphipods,
give you
but
enough to be
No.
able
I
to
don't
do
remember
that.
seeing any amphipods earlier.
Well, and it's, I've even got jogging down from what you guys were flying at, and it's so squirrely in the,
So in terms of gastropods,
That's because you're
and
zoomed in,
or
it's just magnified,
yeah, you're
that's
just
all.
like,
not
yeah, you're just
gastropods,
trying
but in
to,
terms of crustaceans
maybe
that
I
we've
need to make
seen
my
on the
eyes go
dive
fuzzy.
so far.
So I normally
had
you'd set
shrimp,
that up. Hang on,
um,
come off there.
oh yeah.
squat
sorry.
lobsters, amphipods and isopods. I think that's it. Yeah, so good number of critters. And that's on the whole dive. I think on our watch we've seen a squat lobster and then the shrimp and then those amphipods. Yeah. AM, PH, I, yes. Good job. We find a lot of infaunal amphipods, so animals that live in the sediments and the substrate, which is something I do a lot of work on with my team back in Gainesville. And there are a lot of different varieties of amphipods, so it's a whole other rich taxonomy. And they can be indicators of changes in disturbance. Some of them are highly sensitive to change. So it's they can be a useful indicator organism.
Are we interested in any of these things on
I
the
think we're
seafloor?
okay. It's
Okay.
like, looks like coral, and we've got another glass sponge.
Roger. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
Thanks, pilot. The terrain has changed again. We've got the pillow lava seems to have disappeared. And then Now we're seeing scattered nodules, right?
Mixed sizes of nodules.
Looks like there's pavement underneath, maybe, in sediment. This dive is varied in terms of terrain, keeping us on our toes.
So when do you think this dive will have to be capped? When will it end?
Yeah, so tentatively what was on the board down below is that this afternoon.
They're going to keep the downslope until I get back in there, aren't they?
Around
That's right.
1500. We're planning to be
exactly.
off bottom. That could change. And then
I'm all for
start
that.
to recover ROV this evening.
What could go wrong?
Okay.
So we have enough time to transit to Aitutaki for the transfer.
So our next shift might just be blue water.
Yep.
Yep. So we'll have to be on the lookout for midwater animals.
Enjoy the sponges while you can.
Hopefully the community at home can set us up with some good questions.
True.
Provide discussion topics for those hours.
Coral?
Coral.
Yeah, it's getting a wee bit lumpy and windy out there at the moment. Yeah, just watch your head in, mate.
So I can comment on, one of the major objectives of this dive and all the dives for this region is to provide us with information to better understand the benthic communities, the animals and organisms living on and near the seafloor and how they're distributed, better characterize the diversity of these organisms and their association with the seabed environments, including the nodules that we are seeing in front of us, as well as the seamount structures and other soft sediment environments. And that information provides us with essential data to guide next steps. So whether that information, whatever that information is used for decisions in the future, we're providing that baseline information.
Maybe.
So
yeah, are we interested in that?
those decisions can be informed and
Oh, it looks like a crinoid.
based on the science.
Are
I think it's incredible to get the first eye view in these areas. Really quite a gift and privilege to be down here working in a place that I've never been to before, exploring the seafloor for the first time in this area and providing that to the public for you all to enjoy and learn with us.
Yeah, I think you summed that up pretty nicely, Amanda.
Thanks, Rima.
They said, thank you for your honest answer. Honest answers.
Rima, you did a WISE cruise out here before Women in Science. What did it stand for?
Women in Science Expedition, last September, 2024.
2024.
And it was sort of more towards capacity building of
Okay.
female
What's
marine
this?
scientists in the Pacific region.
Oh, fantastic.
Is
So we
that a sea
had
cucumber?
a range of participants
Gonna
from the
Yeah, it looks
Pacific
like
who
it.
joined us on board.
Snap in. See if I
And yeah, it was a great experience.
Yeah. Yeah.
A lot of them, it was
Oh
their
yeah,
first
another
time
sea cucumber.
on a research
See.
ship, first time doing box coring and things like
I
that.
see what you mean. Compensating.
And a few of them
for-
even said that they'd be
Okay, go ahead.
interested to go out on more research cruises.
Yay.
And
Thank
Eva was
you.
actually part of that
Eva
cruise as well.
was great. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah,
And
my colleague, Dr. Fani Gerard from the University
Yes.
of Hawaii, she was one of the scientists on
Advisors,
board.
yeah.
Yeah, I worked with her a bunch in the Gulf. And
Zoom in.
really
Turbo
really
mode.
thrilled that that was such a productive expedition in so many different ways and really inspiring.
Yeah, we did the first baited lander in the Cooks.
Sorry?
It was only for 5 hours on the seabed, limited by the camera life. But yeah, it was great. We got to see some cusk eels,
Ooh.
rat-tailed fish, amphipods.
So what did you bait the cameras with?
Whatever the kitchen would let us take. Some sardines.
Oh, right. Stinky fish.
Cooked bacon. Yeah.
That's awesome.
I heard the bacon was a hit.
Bacon.
Yeah.
Bet.
We tried raw and then we tried cooked.
You
Did
know,
the cooked
it's
I think
one
that
smelling
better?
cooked
bacon
one did
outside
better.
right now.
Oh, that's-
Oh.
Because I was outside not too long ago.
do
I
you
was
want to
sitting
try
down
and
there
zoom
while he
on
was
the fish
cooking
on
it.
Yeah.
the coral here?
It was
Yeah, does
really
anyone
hard to
want
leave
to
the
see
mast
this
to come
coral?
up here.
We have the vent from the.
Oh, we're talking about bacon? Sorry, just distracted by the bacon.
Sorry, does anybody want to see this coral?
If you can,
Okay.
that'd be great.
Is
Let's
there
go take a
bacon on
I
it?
am going to sit down because otherwise we're never going to.
We're obsessed with
See
This
ya.
this.
is not a bacon.
All right.
Okay, zooming in.
Yeah, go for it.
Well, that's fantastic, Rima. Thanks so much for sharing that. I do have more questions about the expedition, but we can get to that in a bit.
No worries.
So we're zooming in on this octocoral. For those tuning in, the
Stick clock's
octocorals
working.
have 8 tentacles. And,
No hands. Look, Ma, no hands.
this is a bamboo coral, a single stalk variety.
Yeah,
I'm not
pan
sure
up
if
the
it's a
stalk
different
little bit.
species than the branched one that we've been seeing, or just, maybe
Try to
an
do a
immature state.
cinematic.
And if you take a close look at the axis or the full-on stalk, you can see what look like golden
go.
spots, and those are the nodes of this bamboo coral, characteristic of bamboos. Just like bamboo plants have nodes, these animals have nodes made out of protein, and it creates some flexibility in the skeleton. Beautiful. Love it. I love all of the tentacles and the
Aaron, you can come
pinnules.
wide.
And
Coming wide.
lovely, lovely shot. Do not apologize. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
All right.
On this particular watch, we've been getting some amazing, amazing close-up
Just going to
views. I'm
pop up
so
and over it,
pleased.
but I'll go back down. Ooh.
Every watch has been great, but obviously our watch is awesome.
It's very,
We are one of the A teams, I think.
Just
One
gonna.
of the A teams.
Have you got your tilt reset where you want it? Yeah, bring your tilt
bring
back
that
down a bit.
a little bit. Sorry, I'm floating up.
So what do you use a box core for, Rima?
Okay.
Yeah.
To take.
Right where the green is your.
Yeah.
There you go.
Sorry.
Nice. There we go.
So many voices in my
Yeah,
head.
a lot of
Back
voices.
It's okay. Yeah, to take a sort of a enclosed sample of the seabed. And you usually use it for
Sorry, one more time.
looking at the types of life you might find.
Yeah.
It's quiet.
Like
It's like takes
Yep.
a chunk out of
Yeah.
the seafloor, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
and it brings it up to the surface pretty much undisturbed if you've got a really good box core and a good deck crew who can sort of bring it to where you're doing the processing.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. And on Wise we took what do you call it? Cores from the box score
Oh,
to
yeah,
try and look,
subcourse.
look at the macrofauna.
Nice. That's
Yeah.
cool. Yeah, those box cores are basically like it sounds. It's one big box, like a cardboard box, but it's made out of metal.
We have a fish here, cusk eel.
What? Let's look at the fish.
Let's zoom in if we
Look
can,
at the
please.
fish.
Ready when you are?
Wait for it.
Push call.
You can see its tail wagging a little.
One of the key aspects of imaging these fish, which sometimes is difficult because they swim away, is to get a good image of the head. Obviously the full body is very important, so we can see the characteristics of the tail, and then the head shape.
Come in wide. Snap out. Okay.
Some of the fish don't like to pose for us.
But this one is...
Often we get a lot of
poser.
pictures of tails of fish because they're like scooting
Altitude is
out.
shot to 90 meters.
So one of a colleague,
Okay, I'm
Peter
gonna
Oster,
move
was
on.
going
Sorry.
to basically publish a
Moving
photo book, ID book guide of the butts
that
of
fast
fishes. so people can better ID their fish from the back end, because that's what we often get.
Yeah.
Now I'm just thinking
A bit
about bacon.
intrusive, but
Sorry.
I said it's a little intrusive, but I guess it comes in handy
Yeah,
for IDing.
yeah.
Someone
I
said
don't think the fish care about their butts.
Hey, you don't know.
I don't know. You're right. I'm not very fish sensitive, obviously.
I know, I was talking to Lindsay last night and she said, I was like, I wonder if they mind like the light, because some of the kids have been asking that. And then she was like, this is their one moment to shine in their life.
Is this of
This
interest?
moment
or
of
have we
glory.
seen
Sponge here?
I
before?
think it's,
Yeah.
yeah, we've seen this
Glass
one before,
sponge.
a glass sponge. We don't need
Yeah,
to
roger.
image
Alright,
it, but thank you.
Perfect.
In our next shift, we're going to be like, oh,
And
I
we've
want to see a
changed heading
sponge.
now.
We're going to miss those sponges.
Someone said they just tuned in. They're asking how deep we are. We're at about 4,400 meters. Welcome.
Was it a stalk? 2 stalks.
We've been pretty steadily at 4,400 throughout this dive, it seems.
Yeah,
Or at least today.
right. We've crossed a lot of different seafloor terrain. And on this particular watch, it's been pretty varied, from pillow lava structures to dense accumulation of nodules to more scattered nodules. Highly varied and a relatively small amount of seafloor space, so it's incredible. That heterogeneity or complexity is so varied on a small scale.
And someone asked, so how much bottom time is left? The guy talked over Amanda. And so apparently we're gonna begin ascending at about 1500, so 3 p.m.
That was my last look at the board, but that's my understanding.
Subject to change.
Subject to change. We can update the folks from at home when we know more.
And it is just coming up on 8 a.m.
Oh, that means it's bacon time. Those people who eat bacon. I'm a vegetarian, so I'm not eating the bacon. Extra bacon for everybody else.
I've been waiting for omelets for probably a week now.
Oh, omelets. I love
Oh,
omelets.
is it
They've
omelets
had
today?
them once. Yeah, they had cheese omelets one time, and I was spoiled.
Oh.
Oh.
They had crepes yesterday as well.
I miss those.
Is that
What
a
is
sponge right
this?
there? What is that?
Yeah, sponge.
Is it
Yep.
Another
the
one of
glass.
those example, one that fell over and then started growing up
Yeah,
at an
Aaron,
angle.
that's so wild. So this one's actually alive.
Yeah, better
Oh,
look.
this glass sponge. We can get a zoom on this if you have time.
Yeah, we got time.
This one is, yeah,
Keep coming.
hexactinellid glass sponge.
Easy.
I
That's it.
think
It's
I
good.
had a tentative ID on this earlier.
Keep coming. There you are.
Going in?
But
Stand by.
essentially what it looks like is it was growing on a rock
There's your
or
tilt
maybe on
is
the
on
nodule,
if you want
and it might have fallen
go
over
with
and
it.
started growing upwards after it fell. So it's kind of created this elbow shape
Just be careful because you're still
in the
creeping
body of the
slightly too.
sponge.
Oh, there's another sponge next to it.
Oh yeah.
You're all right right now.
Fine.
Oh, that is a
That
really
Atalanta
nice
view's really
looking
good too.
sponge.
Yeah, I think it's a type of euplectellid sponge, glass sponge. And again, this is fantastic. You can see like the sponge has grown upwards. I know, you can see the, is there like a shrimp or something on the bottom?
Yeah.
Looks like
It looks
kind of a shrimp.
futuristic.
Do you want the top of the sponge? Yeah, nice.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, you can see all the tiny pores.
Go for the base of it if you can.
The phylum of these sponges is porifera.
I'm gonna tilt down a bit, Aaron.
Multiple pores, pore
We'll
spaces
try to see the base.
to allow the sponge to filter feed, capture food through pumping water through its body. And it looks like there's some associates.
Okay, I'm gonna tilt back
on the
up to the
inside
top.
and on the outside.
Do a bit of a pan of the.
Nice. Yeah, it looks
and
like
then,
a little
and
shrimp
then I'll have to pick
on
up.
the outside. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice job. That's beautiful.
All right. I'm gonna pick up.
Nice.
Go wide.
Thanks, team.
Thank you.
And you can
That
snap
was,
it.
that was really great. And
Lovely,
the follow
lovely.
focus, Aaron. That was nice.
Yeah.
Just
Beautiful,
tilt back down a
beautiful.
wee bit if you can.
Yeah.
Or I can do it for you.
No, it's all good.
Someone asked, what time zone is the ship in?
Oh, it's opposite.
We're in
oh,
Cook
I messed it
Islands time.
That's okay.
up. I got it.
What is
There
that?
we go.
That's
That's enough.
GMT.
We're, let's see,
Minus 10.
Just
Sorry.
kicking some
Minus
dirt
same
up for our
Giving you
friends.
guys
Time zone is Hawaii.
motion sickness.
we're 3 hours behind the west coast of the
And
U.S.
then
Alright.
leave your
I'm
tilt on
getting,
until you get settled again.
Yeah.
And then you can twig it.
6 hours behind the east coast.
Yeah.
12 hours behind Norway.
Oh yeah,
I want to be down a little bit more. Yeah.
it makes it tricky to keep in touch with people. It's like you have to catch them just at the right
Yeah.
time, yeah?
But it's convenient for
Okay, you can shut
calculating.
tilts off
Yeah,
now,
right,
dude.
that's true.
Or I got it. We're good. That was nice, Aaron. Thanks.
Good teamwork.
Go team.
It's much easier when you're sitting on the floor. All right. Getting a little closer to the seafloor here. Seems to be
Another
like
one of
those
glass
dead,
sponges that was
One of
dead.
the dead ones,
Nice,
yeah.
nice spot.
like the one we just saw.
Yep, same related.
I feel like sometimes, I don't know if it's those ones, but when you're in more like a sandy sediment, you see a ring around where they've been basically like blowing in the current in a circle.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they disturb the sediment around them.
Yeah, so
That's
they
neat.
die and then they're still sort of attached to like a rock or whatever at the base, but then they kind of
Blow around.
blow around in a little ring.
Interesting. I don't think I've noticed that before. That's cool.
Got a little stalked sponge, branched sponge, or no,
That's
coral.
a coral there, yeah.
It is however many hours into my shift, and I'm confusing squirrels and sponges.
Squirrels.
Squirrels.
Yeah.
Squirrel.
Do like a bit of
Squirrel?
squirrels.
Could we,
Is this similar to ones we've been seeing?
if we could zoom in on it real quick, that would be
Yeah,
awesome.
sure.
That's okay. It probably is the same, but
It's just,
multiple branches.
We
That's neat.
octo.
yeah.
Yep.
It's like similar to.
Yeah. I'm gonna end up losing it here. Boop, boop,
Super skinny.
boop.
Is that another bamboo?
Yeah, all right.
Okay.
Come wide.
I'm going to say yes. Really, really long tentacles, and they have enormous polyps. Well adapted to capturing food when it comes, which can be few and far between. Sometimes the poop piles look like fish to me. I think that might be because of the dive. It's at the end of the watch, and I'm like, oh, it's not a fish.
You just have to look for the bright white.
Bright white,
and
yeah.
bioluminescent.
Super glowing,
Mm-hmm.
iridescent skin, scalies.
Someone left a comment for you. Do not worry. There are several types of vegan bacon
Oh.
that are quite nice.
Okay.
Although not really comparable to traditional bacon, I recommend trying the coconut, mushroom, or eggplant version of bacon. And if you're a former omnivore craving bacon,
So hungry.
AFAIK. They're also kosher and halal.
Ooh.
Thank you so much.
Wow, thanks for the advice. Appreciate it. I haven't embarked on vegan bacon yet. I can't say that I've missed it, but I do enjoy the smell of it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. All right. I'll be back shortly.
I've had vegan bacon.
Yeah, what'd you think? Yeah.
Not a big fan.
I've had jam that tasted like bacon because I bought a bacon burger and I said, I ordered bacon and they said, yeah, it's in there. It's the jam. I was like, what?
Oh, no.
Whoa.
That's interesting.
I was like, that's
I've never had that.
so wrong.
Oh, something different.
I like vegan hot dogs. Those are good. Or veggie burgers.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
But the bacon wasn't my favorite.
Is that a sponge?
What do we have there?
Sponge. Or is that a...
I think it's
Is
another
this
one of
something
those.
that we've been seeing?
I think it's one of the carnivorous sponges.
Carnivorous
Yeah.
sponges, yeah. Cladoriza.
Want to just snap in quickly here?
We had a...
Sure, maybe we'll see that anemone that hangs
Yeah.
out with it.
That optometry mode is really nice. Just being able to be 2 times right away.
Still hex this.
All right.
Yep.
All right.
Nice. Yep, little
All right. Come on.
anemone friend is hanging out at the tippy top of that
Beauty.
sponge. That's another kind
Optometry mode.
Yeah, we're still trucking along.
I like the term optometry
Yeah, we're just kind of
mode.
traversing along the ridge, so terrain's been flat. He's got... yeah, we did. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I do tend to drift a little, like, in your frame, but... Alright.
That's really
Getting
incredible.
out ahead here. Yeah, roger.
I will say I've been just amazed and surprised by how much
Sorry, holothurian.
Holothurian.
Diversity.
Was that someone very excited about something?
Rima's excited.
Rima was super
All right,
excited.
we want to look at this, right?
Oh,
Yeah,
actually,
we
it
don't
looks
have
a
to
little
zoom
different.
in. Oh, it
No, it's
does look
different.
different. We should zoom in.
We should
Okay.
zoom
We
in.
should. It does.
It's a different kind of sea
And
cucumber.
there's
We're
like
gonna
a
properly sit
little.
down for this one.
Oh, that was a sponge
Yeah,
as well.
sounds good.
Looks like an anemone,
Oh, all right.
but it's not.
Wow, it's neat. Yeah, we haven't seen this sea cucumber on this dive yet, as far as I know.
Oh,
It's got
wow.
more, got a lot of tube feet extended and sort of pokey
Yeah,
bits.
go right ahead.
There's a one genus
That's pretty
called
cool.
Synallactes, which it could be, but
What should I rate this one, guys?
3 or 4? Oh, I don't know. We haven't seen it before.
I know we haven't seen it before, so
Okay.
you might want to go up
I'll give it a 3.
3.
maybe 2.
Oh, okay.
2.5.
I'm with Amanda here.
2. It's a 2. Really?
So
All
this
right.
is a different kind of sea
Do your
cucumber
cinematic
we
zoom out
haven't
and
seen
then-
on the dive
Thanks,
so far,
Ray.
as far as I know.
It's
And
that one press zoom.
Nice.
that was lovely.
All right, I'm gonna
Nice.
pick up and get.
And then it's hanging out just in front of a carnivorous sponge.
Okay. Extend her out.
Great job, front row. Glad
I
it
think I
didn't.
saw another one up ahead.
Glad it didn't run away from you.
That's what happens when you find one, you just find loads.
You had a good intuition. You got excited.
I know.
Before we
I
even
don't even
zoomed
know what
in.
I was talking about. I forgot what I was talking about. Oh man.
It's got that shape. That banana shape.
Yeah, I think
Oh, is
Yeah.
it not that one?
I think it's Synallactes,
Uh-huh.
Rima. Just you could put question mark, but I think
Hole
that might be the
007. Thanks.
Is anyone else's brain seeing the nodules as craters instead of
Oh,
boulders?
Oh, you're
yeah,
reversing.
that happens.
That's funny. I
to me
keep thinking I
too.
see shark's teeth, but it's like a
It's-
broken nodule or
Yeah,
something, or it's a
because
broken
the
rock.
lighting at the altitude that we're cruising at, I think,
What is
flips
that?
What is
long
that?
stalk
Looks
or
like a
something.
fishing line.
Ooh.
Looks natural.
I know, pilot, are we allowed to take a closer look?
I can push in a bit.
Yes, please. If you can. Oh, what is that?
A stalk.
Coral?
It might be a coral stalk, from a dead coral.
Oh, a coral starting from a dead coral?
But the
The
right, end
right side
looks
of
really,
it has that stranded look
yeah,
to
it
it that
looks
you
more
see
like
with
a sponge.
sponges.
Yeah. I'm going with sponge stalk,
Okay.
dead. Thanks,
Yeah,
pilot.
it's boogie.
Well, everyone, watch change is underway. Appreciate everyone's assistance from the shore side and from from the team here in the van. We've had a lot of wonderful questions from the people on the shore. Love the shout outs as well. Appreciate the positive
Another coral.
affirmations. Glad we're doing a good job out here. Thanks to you all
Oh,
True.
for a great watch.
Yeah, thank you so much.
I'll see you in a bit.
sponge.
Push in. mind. They're tough. Come back with Herc. I've seen drift up to a little bit, yeah. Especially as it pushes in. Because it can't really tell the difference between pushing in on the zoom and flying in with the ROV. All right. What?
Test, test, test. Ooh.
Okay, hello, watchmates.
Hey, hey.
And viewers.
Oops, bad. No, that's not me.
Let me just get set up, logging out and everything.
Oh, goodness. That's mine. Who do you think it was? Oh. Oh. That's a different, different looking sponge.
Do we want a closer zoom on this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, that's a hollothurian?
No,
That's got a
I think it's a
stalk.
sponge.
It does have
Yeah.
a stalk, yeah. Sorry, I'm not even warmed up yet
And there's something like straight ahead of it too.
Yeah.
All right. As soon as video is in the chair, we would like a zoom.
I'm here.
Yeah. Yeah, you go for it. I'm pushed down into the seafloor, so.
Okay. That.
Yeah, push in if you can.
We gotta look at our list here. We gotta see what that might be. Whoa.
I can try.
No, I'm coming out.
Yeah,
I just want to get some rough focus. And get you some
Looks like a
luminance.
mushroom.
There you go.
Sure, someone. Can we scroll our little list of sponges and see what we got here?
Just let me know once you guys have a sufficient image.
I have a sufficient, we have a sufficient image.
Are you alright if I move on?
Yeah, we're good, thanks.
Okay.
Moving on.
Yeah, nice. Okay.
And then there's something straight ahead of it as well.
You just switch my tilt off. I'm actually perfectly happy with that. Thank you.
Oh, that right there is a carnivorous sponge, a stalk. That last one.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, I don't have an indicator.
Yeah, like right under you, so.
Do you guys want this?
Does it have the same stuff?
Yeah, I think so.
So it'll be all right. We got hours still.
Okay, good morning, good afternoon, everyone. I see there are some chats in the on the website, which Kahena said she wasn't able to get to before we changed over. One of them is, on which side of the date line are the Cook Islands? That is the other side.
You're the right side.
We are a day behind most places, but I think in the US it might be evening on the same day.
Same time zone as Hawaii.
Yeah.
If anyone was wondering.
Yes. That is a much better way to put it, Eva. Thank you.
The other side.
Yeah.
Or.
Greetings from landlocked Colorado. I apologize if you addressed this prior to my logging on, but are you doing any sample collections during this expedition?
No.
No, we had planned to, we can't do sample collections with this vehicle, Little Herc, and there was a potential to swap to another vehicle, to Big Herc at some point during the cruise, but we've lost so many days with weather that I don't think that that's likely to happen.
Testing. Okay, sweet.
Smile.
Or auto alts, I mean. Yeah. Oh, fascinating. It's another dead stalk here of a coral, maybe. We got a few close-up shots of those ones before.
No, we did one.
What's this little white thing in the sediment here? Anybody interested in it?
Oh, there we go. I think. Where is it now? The little white thing? Yeah, I'd love to see what that is.
Might just be a little rock, though. I'm just going to set it down.
Oh yeah, there might be two, bottom left as well.
Yeah, it just kind of looks like a little something.
Oh, is that sea schmutz?
Little sea schmutz, yeah. Okay, go ahead, video. I think it's just, is it just?
It's a white rock.
Shmoo on a rock? Yeah. Nice.
Okay.
All right, come on. All right. And I think I just barely bumped it up. Here we go.
I think that unidentified sponge before might have been a...
It had a stalk.
Yeah, Sympagella clippertonii.
Oh, yeah, maybe.
I'm not even fully logged in yet.
While you're logging in, Adam, did Amanda give you an update or anything on their watch?
Yeah, she said that they've seen
is that coral there in the middle?
Bunch of carnivorous sponges. They've seen really varied substrate types, sometimes a lot of nodules, sometimes not very many.
Just trying to get a little faster at.
Oh, what
is
that?
I know what this one
shots.
is.
Ooh.
Just that cool one with the little...
All right, get a better angle on it here.
Nice. I did hear that they saw another headless chicken holothurian.
Yep.
And a lizard fish that was new observation.
All right, go for zoom.
Okay.
And I'm tilting the camera up.
Oh, that is interesting.
Yeah, that's a little
this is
coral with an associate. I think this is the first time I've seen an associate with the coral. So there's a little anemone or hanging out on that coral. Don't know if it's a... Sometimes the anemones are predatory, eating the coral. Sometimes they're not, but I think this one does look like it's wrapped around a polyp.
Yeah, I would say that's predating.
So it's a coral?
It's a coral with anemone
The little
associate.
clingy thing at the top left of the screen is the anemone.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, Rye, are you able to pan up a little bit? Or?
Whoa.
Now playing the role of Rye.
Oh, and Rye has disappeared.
Yeah.
Like
Hello.
magic. Hello.
All right. Yep.
That's a lovely shot. I think we got it, though, so...
Coming out. All right. Yeah, no bother. Let me go ahead and stick lock. Okay.
We have
Just
a
gonna bump down a touch.
question here in the chat. Do you ever set up camera traps with infrared light? I'd be curious if more animals came out of the dark.
Never seen it with infrared light, but we have used red light, which is potentially less, well, in some cases less damaging to the animals if they are light sensitive, but also less obtrusive, I suppose.
Hey, Johan, do you think that you could just zoom out on HiPAC for a second so I can see the track line on the map? Yeah, that's cool.
Did you want to see the map instead? Do you like the map there?
Yeah, let's have a quick look at the map.
The map, the map.
So is that the track that we have done on this whole dive?
Yes, that's right. So it goes from west to east, and then we made that jog to the south or south-southeast, and now we're going to cross a kind of flat area and then up another one of the little calamari that make up this knoll complex. And who knows where we're going to go from here.
Okay, over there, I see the cursor.
Is that the desire? I don't know. We have, it kind of depends how the ship's doing in terms of holding the position.
I think it's been doing pretty good. I think it's dealer's choice.
Okay.
What distance is that of the whole dive since we started yesterday morning?
Ooh, give me a second on that one.
That's 6,500 meters, give or take.
Yeah, just about 7,000 now.
Cool.
Yeah, but
so
we start
about
300.
7
No,
kilometers?
that has our where we started. 7 kilometers. Nice work, team.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot.
We've pretty much covered the entire seafloor. We can go home now.
Can we show the map on, oh, it is on the feed, great. I was looking at the wrong screen.
It's an interesting mix of kind of sparse nodules, and is that crust or just dark sediment? Who knows?
I would say there's a medium-sized nodule.
Yeah.
Do we have a medium option?
No.
And then those weird tracks are not here. Oh, what's that flat thing in the middle there? Flat circular thing.
Good spot. That's
Where?
Yeah.
In the middle, if you can.
Telestrate it.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah, good job.
Is it an anemone?
Hollothurian.
Yeah.
Oh, holothurian,
Holothurian.
yeah.
You want to stop
Wow.
or keep moving?
I think we can zoom in on it if.
Yeah.
Yeah, a quick zoom and then we can move on.
Okay,
It
good to
looks
go.
a little different to what. Oh, yeah, it looks different to what we've seen on the other one.
That
Yeah,
can't be
that's
a holothurian. I don't think that
I
is.
don't think
I
that's
don't
a
think that's, yeah,
holothurian.
neither.
It almost looks like a jelly.
Yeah, jelly that's just
A dead jelly.
on the.
That
or
deflated.
resting jelly.
Yeah.
Sleeping jelly.
Actually, it's
jelly.
floating.
Moving.
It's just above the bottom.
Yeah, you can
Can
see.
you just turn the
Just
tilt
taking a
on
nap.
it, please? Say again?
Wow.
That is so
Oh,
cool.
cheers.
Interesting. Cool. All right, I think we've seen it. If you need to move, you can.
Oh, it's going up.
Oh, but we would like to see it just get
We
off
can
the
stay
bottom.
for right now.
Okay. Come on, you can do it. You can do it.
How cool.
Please don't come into me, though.
So what is that in the book?
Yeah, I got it, man. Thank
Or
you.
is the book mainly
Okay,
Let me let it leave frame and then I'll
The book is mainly benthic organisms. So.
And 1, 2,
oh,
3
no,
second
there's
dissolve, full wide.
Wow.
Said. Yep, on the move.
I thought it seemed pretty unhappy. I don't know if that is a jellyfish behavior to kind of hang out down at the bottom.
Yeah.
Somebody said maybe it's eating something, and Lisa's tuned in and she said kind of looks like Poralia. Sometimes those are on the seafloor.
Hey, Lisa. Welcome back. Where?
Does look a bit like Poralia.
There we are. Just get a bit of a wriggle on and come out from under you. Yeah, there we go.
Carnivorous sponge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Something there on the left.
Oh,
yeah, that looked like a cucumber.
Yeah.
That looks like that stalk carnivorous sponge. Maybe not. Maybe it's wrong on that. That's like an open bell-shaped.
Yeah, it's got a stem. There's another one here.
Yeah, just give me a shout when you just want to stop, guys.
Yeah, for sure. That might be a hexactinellid. These names have not stuck in my head yet. They're like, I have to look again to see them. What we thought was an anemone yesterday, like the little white dots.
Yeah.
I think those were sponges. You see that? Non-stalked compact spherical sponge. Okay, let me geo-observe.
Okay, we're going to be coming up quite a bit here, Todd.
Adam, are we still around what we're calling the knoll complex that we started on? Okay.
Yeah, it's enormous compared to where we are, so we're on the west side of the knoll complex.
Oh, yeah. Just love.
Yeah, like how did those get in there?
Oh.
Oh, there's a fish.
There's a fish in the right corner.
Oh, yeah.
Might be a cusk eel, just by looking at the tail.
Behind the rock?
Yeah. Turn on X-ray vision.
Oh, it's quite small.
Yeah, he's tiny.
Someone said jellies get confused from ROV electronics. And Lisa said the tentacles are making her unsure about it being Paralia. She's asked George Matsumoto and will let us know if he responds.
Thank you.
The light upsets them sometimes as well.
Does look like a...
It's got eyes.
Halosaur type.
And I don't know if there's something here as well in the corner, but...
Forget that.
I'll
you can keep moving.
Yeah, don't
push
worry.
over, have a look.
Wow.
Yeah, cusk eel.
How deep are we now? Are we still at 4,500-ish like last night?
4415.
4415, okay. 4,415 meters.
Yeah.
Look at the six-pack abs on that rock. Holy cow.
Yeah, we're starting to drift under Atalanta again. I gotta come up and go,
okay,
guys.
You're fine.
Wow. So different, like in small areas, like every little patch of sediment is just nodules and then the rest of it are rocks.
Yeah, we are, let's see on the map here. Yeah, we're up on the rim of this little cone with a crater.
There's some coral there, top right.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that same branched bamboo.
Yeah.
That we saw the anemone potentially predating.
Our favorite stars.
Stalk sponge out the back as well.
Yeah.
Just if you guys are all right, I'd like to keep moving for now.
Yes, yep, happy. What is that? A tiny fish over there?
Yeah.
Someone said that rock looked trilobite-ish.
Ah.
I guess that rock where you were talking about the abs.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, a sponge over there on the right.
Cool feeding tracks on that rock.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a shout out for you, Eva. Shout out to Eva Moana, just a tray, please.
Just a tray.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah, at the meaning.
I'm not sure actually. If you're watching, drop your name. Let's see. But kia ora, thanks for the shout out. Got me thinking over here.
Why is there this little gap between the base of the rock and the start of the...
Yeah.
We might.
Maybe it has like a little shelf, sort of, you know, maybe the way that the current drops the minerals that accrete, you know, over the nucleus, maybe it comes down a particular way and the rock sort of shelters. Because it seems to be around a few of them.
Yeah.
Just a tray.
Just a tray.
Please.
Tray of
nodules, tray of brownies. I'm not sure. Because I'd like a tray of that too, please.
A tray of sea cucumbers.
A pickle?
A pickle.
A tray of a pickle.
But we didn't do our intros. We're
No,
just,
we didn't.
You're right.
Is that a sponge?
conscious?
Yes, that is a sponge, a little.
Kind of looks like rose, elodie. Like
I'm all set.
Yeah.
Did it have a stem?
Or calyx, perhaps.
Somebody's asked whether there's much current movement down here.
Not a lot.
At the moment, it's not too bad because we're sort of coming back up the slope.
Okay.
Back a little ways as we came across that flat section, there was a little bit moving across us, but yeah, not a lot at all.
Enough to push the vehicle or just to move particles?
Yeah, it'll move the vehicle. This thing's extremely light.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I know who it is now.
It's May?
No. Hi, Travis.
Travis. All right, got 2 stalked sponges. God, I wish these were all in my head.
Are the rocks all in your head?
The rocks are all in my head, yes.
Oh yeah, there's something there on that rock too, and that little crevice there. Yeah. Or is it an anemone or?
Let's see if we've got a little time here. You okay to turn me tilt on a second, please, Rye? Cheers. Yeah, go hit the doubler, please, Ed.
Oh. Cool.
Yeah.
Looks like.
Okay, you can take a quick zoom there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, on the move.
Got that.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
All right, you're back.
Thank you.
Hexactinellid, perhaps?
So Emma's mystery shout out was somebody who thought they were at Rehab Bar. Eva are you a bartender as well?
Yes, I am a bartender.
So she works
as well.
on ships, she works at the National Environment Service, she works at the nightclubs.
Yeah.
She's a hustler.
Yeah. Somebody's asked if the tracks are by snails.
Yeah.
Oh.
Some of them could be. We've seen some gastropods.
That looks a bit different.
Yeah, it's a wiggly one.
That kind of looks like this, just...
Corbitella.
Yeah.
Yeah, sea star there, a couple of sea stars.
Oh, and another one down there. Does it look like that too? Oh, that's the one we've been, calyx. What a cool spot on the seafloor. This is beautiful.
Yeah, this is a bit more exciting than our
shift last night.
Yeah, our 8 to 12 nighttime shift, I think.
Certainly beats going downhill near vertical, sideways.
Oh, come on. You know you love it, Dave.
Here on the chat from folks on shore, Val Finlayson checking in, and Amy Bacco-Taylor. Glad to have both of you. Amy, you want to help out with any identifications? Please do.
Yeah, we were spoiled having Amanda on the last watch.
Oh, I can imagine.
I really like it when we get like Steve Oskovich online. He's like, before I even see something, he's like, pulling the full Latin name, and then I can say it and sound like super smart. I'm like, oh yeah, obviously that's a something or other.
On the shoulders of giants, I suppose.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
That's how we do it.
We make each other look good.
Someone's asked, is the Meg down there? No, but we did see some, maybe, shark teeth.
Teeth that could potentially be of.
You've got
Or
to
at
be in
least
the trench to find the Meg, though. Don't you?
the shark teeth-shaped somethings.
Yeah.
John was pretty sure that they were shark teeth.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, according to my trained eye.
They were really big, though.
Yeah.
They were.
How would that have been
It could have been megalodon teeth.
Yeah,
really.
I mean, we've got a couple, I think. Yeah.
Yeah. No worries.
Let's see what that thing is.
Just here,
Oh,
please.
maybe a holothurian?
Holothurian.
Oh, yeah.
It's this more bluish tinted, opaque one that we've been seeing more of.
What do we like width-wise?
More recently. We did see a headless chicken monster, holothurian.
It definitely has got its like
that was a really
sucky
good
part
footage
down
of that
on
one.
the
I was doing a web interaction, so I was able to switch views to show them the footage. It was great.
Are you just wanting to zoom in on this or crack on?
Happy.
Cool.
Thank you.
Great driving, by the way.
Thank you.
He doesn't like to be called a driver. He's a pilot.
Pilot.
Oh, great piloting. And superb navigating. I don't know. I mean, you can tell.
Yeah, we don't make enough of a fuss about the nastigators, do we?
Yeah.
The nastigators.
The navigessors.
Oh, wow.
I really didn't want to go down that road.
That.
He's sitting too close to me for me to say that word.
Just for that, he's dragging you downhill.
Yeah.
Someone's
I
asked.
didn't even think it, promise.
Move the ship 600 meters at a knot.
Is the doubler
Yeah, see how you like
implemented
that.
in terms of optics or electronics?
The tele-extender. So it is an actual physical lens. It's towards the rear of the Canon zoom lens that's on the camera internally, and it's a feature of the Canon lens that we're using. But yeah, there's a linear actuator that we've put in there and tied to a button on the control panel that drops it into place in the optical path, and that provides the additional magnification.
Feels like it takes up 2 or 3 stops when you do it.
Yes, it definitely does. That's a consequence of extending the focal length without changing your physical aperture.
There's another comment on the camera as well from April. She said, the new camera is so amazing. If all continues to go well, will there be plans to use it on a more permanent basis?
Aaron hopes so.
I really do hope so, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're excited to continue working with OET on improving the MXD. We've already gotten a few things from this field trial, just the one dive and the integration work that we did, getting it on the vehicles, have given us some ideas for how we can improve it. The whole point of this was to kind of shake down the system as a whole, not just the camera itself. We've already talked with OET leadership about having it on board for next season and seeing what we can do there.
Cool. Thanks, Aaron.
We're also working on some workflows to be able to post highlights from this leg in UHD.
In 4K. Or in UHD, sorry.
Yeah, they're interchangeable at this point.
They are, but they aren't.
I know.
Oh, I sense a video argument coming on.
Yeah,
it's a slide roll geek truth.
There's a difference between UHD, which is 4 times HD resolution. So HD being 1920 by 1080. UHD is 3160 by 21.
3840 by
3840 by. Can somebody cut their mics?
Well, That'll be the video guy that's in charge of that.
Yeah. Welcome to my TED Talk on resolutions.
He's going to cut everyone else's mics.
He's like, yeah, now we're alone.
Right.
If I don't get to talk, nobody does.
This is an MXD telethon now.
Oh, this one looks interesting.
Oh, there we go.
All the 4K devices that people buy and put in their houses
they match this resolution.
they're UHD.
Yeah.
Is it a crinoid?
What about
there?
like your phone
Yeah.
that says
Looks
it can
like it.
shoot 4K? Is that?
It's probably UHD
It's
as well.
UHD. Yeah.
Ooh.
Do you want to take a look at this?
I would like to take a look at that.
Okay.
It doesn't appear to be attached to the seafloor. It's kind of like resting upon it.
Is it a feather star?
Maybe it will fly away.
Looks like it's...
That
seeing a
would be
crinoid?
cool.
This was on my bingo card.
Guys, I don't mean to
Poke it.
make it dance.
Poke it.
Yeah. Don't sit down too gently.
Right.
I think that is a crinoid.
Yeah.
I think it is. Look at that.
So this is, I think at the start of our
Wow.
watch yesterday, Aaron, you said this is what you wanted to see?
This was on the top of my list. Crinoids are one of my
Okay,
favorites.
go
How
ahead.
do we make it move?
Doubler or zoom?
Whatever you prefer, but be quick.
Aye.
There we go.
Wow.
Cool.
And you
A
can
little
zoom
bit.
from there.
Yeah, yeah. And the question is, can I focus from here?
That's a good question.
I think I'm in there somewhere.
All depends how steady I can hold it.
Yeah, aye.
Steady.
Can I give you a
Stay
little...
on target. Yeah.
Good.
Wow, I really want to see it move. Maybe it's sleeping.
Somebody's
I'm gonna do a
written in
slow
and
pull
said,
out.
crinoid, my beloved.
Yeah,
Aaron, are you sending messages to the chat as well?
And bring that to
Oh,
a
that's a
stop.
beautiful shot.
There we
Beautiful
go.
shot.
I'm happy if you need to move.
Yep, on the way.
Yeah, he needs to move.
All right, coming out.
Someone's also said, don't mess with the navigator or you may get more blue water time than you'd like.
Oh.
I don't know, blue water time means I've got time to have a drink of coffee.
Someone's asked about the temperature again.
Like in the van?
No, cold in the van. I forgot my socks again.
Yeah.
But no, in the where we are diving now.
Oh, here, I can tell you that.
About 1 degree, isn't it? 1.2, 1.3 degrees?
Still
It's maybe.
maybe 1.35 degrees.
Yeah, that
That's
seems
a
so
precise
cold.
maybe.
Yeah. That was our last reading. Maybe. I can neither confirm nor deny.
Glomar, the
I'm
temperature.
gonna come down a little bit, but you gotta get out.
Yeah, I'm on the way.
Someone's given their definition
I'm
of the
coming up
difference
as well.
between
Yeah, right.
drivers
So
and
we're
pilots. Drivers go forward and backwards, left and right. A pilot goes forward and backwards, left and right, and up and down.
Oh.
Maneuvering around in 3D space.
Once we
Some
have
people,
hover
though,
cars, then
prefer
can't wait.
ROV operators, I've heard. Do you folks have a preference?
for operator pilot or
Operator or pilot?
Don't mind.
doesn't matter.
Dan is quite has a preference, I would say.
Wait,
Really?
Dan
But
has
he
a
also-
strong opinion? Wait a second.
He also just calls himself a bus driver like every 20 minutes.
He says
though,
bus
so-
driver, but he doesn't like pilot.
He doesn't like pilot.
Yeah,
I think Hercules pilot sounds pretty cool.
When asked to describe what I do for a job, I just answer with poorly paid cameraman.
I'm going out with Dan for 2 months and a little bit. I'm just going to call him my favorite pilot every day.
Do it.
The joke doesn't really work for these guys, but you can be like, how do you know when a Hercules pilot is in the room?
They'll tell you.
Oh, don't worry. They'll tell you. Works better with the Alvin pilots.
Yeah.
That's true.
You're going down into the...
Yep.
All right.
Alvin just got trucked back to Woods Hole.
Yeah, I saw it and did a little parade through town.
Yeah.
I was thinking about that when you were sharing your U-Haul story.
Yeah, that would have been awesome if they got the random.
Oh.
Ed, are we able to switch back to the other
Yeah,
on satellite feed 3 out of the map? Thank you. I think somebody in the chat wanted to see us as well, maybe.
Oh, yeah.
I forget we have those sometimes.
I totally forget.
Yeah, I have my face like up here most of the time.
Bump on down.
Someone's asked, are the smaller rocks on the seafloor nodules or manganese-crusted basalt?
The smaller ones will definitely be nodules. It'll be mostly manganese crust around a small core of something. And the bigger ones are kind of big basalt boulders and that are coated with crust. So it's the same material either way. It's just, it's either accreting onto a already there surface or it's kind of making its own surface.
So, Adam, if, in that case, if you have this core and it starts becoming encrusted,
yep.
How does it end up being a sphere? How does the crust get underneath the thing sitting on the bottom?
Yeah, so I think that these things are kind of constantly in motion,
right?
On the time scale of the precipitation.
Okay, got it.
So it's like a
it's not
super
always
slow
the bottom
rock
isn't always
tumbler,
the bottom.
Yeah.
And interestingly enough, anything can actually become the core of a nodule. On another expedition I've done, we found some that were kind of half developed, which had shark teeth in the middle, which are pretty cool.
Is that something there on the rock, straight ahead to the top? Oh, and actually in the middle, there's two.
Looks like a stalked.
Stalk sponge and...
Yeah.
Then a glass sponge.
And something on the right as well, maybe
star.
A
star.
Yeah, I see a cookie star.
Is that a sea spider?
Do we want to take a look at this one?
Do you see that?
We got a spider?
I do see that.
Yep. To the left of the sponge on the bottom of the rock.
We'll have to get the ROV pretty low.
Illustrate it if you see it.
Okay, it's under here.
Ah.
Even that sponge
Oh
looks
yeah,
cool.
we saw
that
this
sponge
last night,
amazing.
I think.
There it is. See it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, just if anyone's just here.
Aye.
Holy cow! A lot of stuff getting manifested on today's dive.
It's to make up for our not much last night, maybe. Maybe we spoke too much about seeing a shark and 16 octopus.
There was an octopus on an earlier shift, but...
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry, Ed, that was off SPL. Go ahead and try and zoom there, mate. See what we get.
Like that.
Oh,
okay.
Yeah, there it is.
Go for that first.
Holding. Oh, come.
Very cool.
So is that a
go
sea
ahead
spider?
and play with the
Yeah,
tilt
I
if
think
you
it
want.
is.
Yeah, go right ahead.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
Try to bring it up here.
There we go.
Okay, Ed, you can go some more if you wish, mate.
Go full so I can get some focus on this.
Yeah.
Wow.
There you go.
There you go.
Wow.
That is so cool.
Something like that.
What the heck?
Yeah.
I might come out. Well, no, let's go.
I'd like to see
more.
that in
I got
4K.
more zoom if you got a little more tilt.
I might be able to tilt you down very slightly, but it's also
The other
incredibly
down?
hard to get this camera to
I'm just going to stay
do
at
what
the
you
zoom
want.
just to see if we can.
Whoa.
The texture is amazing.
There you go.
Nice.
So
Wow.
It looks like it only has 4.
Yeah, I'm not sure what exactly
They might be
that
like
is.
tucked.
Or some might be missing. Maybe
Yeah,
there's
what are those
3
little
long
bits at the
appendages.
bottom?
Well, there's
Okay,
3
guys,
long
I need
appendages
to
on this
think
one
about
side.
getting on the move.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
I'm way behind Atlanta right now.
No
And
worries.
all right, Ed.
coming out.
Look at the
Thank you,
texture of
mate.
that rock. That's beautiful.
Thank you.
I think you're probably
So
still in a
cool.
good spot for your tilt
Cheers.
if you want.
Yeah, tilt can probably stay where it is.
Roger. Okay, I'm coming up.
Well
Yep.
done. Well done.
Lisa
Yeah, you're quite
said,
behind,
oh,
so.
it's a
Yeah,
monopsid
I'm motoring.
isopod.
Yeah, I think isopod might be more the thing here than the spider pycnogonid. Been having a chat online about with the scientists ashore about the faceless cusk.
Mm-hmm.
Asking if we were seeing any today. Astrid Leitner wrote in and asked if we had seen any Typhlonus nasus, which is apparently the scientific name for that that faceless cusk.
I don't think any that we were able to confirm, but there was one this morning that looked an awful lot like it, where there weren't any obvious eye parts, but we weren't able to get a clean zoom on it.
Okay, that's in the 4 to 8.
I believe it was the 4 to 8 shift. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I've been here since midnight, so it all blurs together.
Someone said, how did you even see that spider? Calm down, Hawkeye.
So actually it's most likely more of an isopod.
Okay.
Looking at images, our expedition leader, Rennie, called in because he remembered the name of it. So shout out to Rennie.
Nice.
Oh,
It's a Munopsidae.
Munopsidae. And look at Rennie showing off like that. How nice.
Yeah.
Someone said rocks are like your bed or your couch. You can almost always find something interesting if you look under them.
It's very true.
I know exactly what's under our couch because our dog loves to play with little balls and then put them under the couch and then require us to get down on the floor to get them out.
Regularly.
Is that Kona?
That's Kona. Just a mad woman about that game.
She's playing fetch with you.
Yeah, honestly.
Oh, what's that?
There's one of those horn-shaped coral or sponges.
Yeah, it's another stalked.
Another stalked sponge, yeah.
Yeah.
Another one off in the distance there, it looks like.
Yeah, on the left.
What, you want me to...
No, I'm just...
There's a shrimp there in the bottom left, too.
Attracting your attention.
Honestly, I think there's more life here than on that previous cone rim that we were on, yeah?
Yeah. What's that one coming up on the left?
I think that is one of the halosaur or...
Is that a stalked coral or just a contour of the rock? A contour of the rock.
Not sure what that one is.
You want to have a look there, Ed?
Coming in. Quick peek.
Yeah, the old lumpy
Looks like a
sac of
sponge
calyx.
coming towards us, maybe? Is that what we're looking at the glass?
Do you want me to operate your tilt?
Sure. There's a little star just above it, I think.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Another little one up left side of it. That little dot.
Yeah. A baby sponge, tiny baby.
Come in some more.
Cool.
Okay.
All right, coming out.
Yeah.
I'm tilting your camera back down a bit.
Thank you.
Okay, tilt's off.
Cheers.
So there's Another stalk there, another one over here. All right, moving forward.
I wonder if one of the reasons that this kind of seabed topology looks so foreign is because we're used to, rock formations becoming more weathered rather than more grown as time goes by. So, again, that kind of terrestrial bias, right?
Yeah, it does. It's kind of smooths all the